Many people don't realize just how common dentofacial imbalances are.
Hi, I'm Ega Rivera and I'm a stylist. And dun sa trabaho kasi namin, parang we take a lot of photos. So nung tinitingnan ko yung sarili ko, sabi ko parang may hindi pantay eh. Yung main struggle talaga, yung self-esteem. Hindi naman siya sasabihin sa'yo parang, girl, hindi pantay yung fest mo. Napapansin ko that I always have to angle myself here. So tinanong ko si Doc kung anong pwede natin gawin dun. I was expecting na braces. Pero nagulat ako dun sa approach ni Doc na very innovative siya. And then she found a way.
Hi, I'm Dr. Camille Ampong, and today I want to talk about something that truly changes lives, the Dentofacial Contour Plus. Many people don't realize just how common dentofacial imbalances are. From an uneven bite to asymmetrical facial features, these issues aren't just cosmetic. They can affect confidence, chewing function, and even posture. For this collaboration, he was the perfect candidate because he was looking for a solution that was subtle yet transformative, something that would enhance his natural beauty without looking done. He had a significant asymmetry in his bite, which not only affected his smile, but also the overall balance of his face. When the opportunity came to collaborate on this, I didn't even think twice. I've always been passionate about combining aesthetics with functionality because dentistry isn't just about teeth. It's about how everything works together.
Nakakatuwa kasi very holistic yung approach niya. Yung parang hindi lang yung ngipin mo, tinignan niya yung buong mukha mo. And then I think she had an idea in mind na parang paano natin to gagawin nang hindi siya major operation or hindi siya super invasive.
That's why Dentofacial Contour Plus was created to bring harmony between jaw and facial structure in a way that looks natural and enhances function. Teaming up with Dr. Go was the perfect match because we both believe in precision, artistry, and results that speak for themselves. Her eye for detail and approach to facial aesthetics really complemented my expertise in aesthetic dentistry and occlusal balance.
Working with Dr. Ampong and her team has been an incredible experience. Their deep expertise in occlusion and dental function, combined with my focus on facial aesthetics, allows us to refine both form and function in a way that traditional treatments simply can't.
The results? Stunning.
The difference was subtle, elegant, and completely natural. No exaggerated changes, just a more refined version of himself.
Napakabilis lang niya. Yung healing process, sobrang dali lang niya. Wala kang healing process nga, kinabukasan nga, nag-work na ako eh.
Our patient walked in with concerns about his smile and left with not only improved symmetry but renewed confidence.
Napansin ko na talaga that I smile more in photos. So napapansin ko talaga that I feel more confident na. Kasi yung ngayon, hindi na ako umaanggulo na gumigilid pa ako. Nga kahit harap, okay na eh. Yung gano'n, yung wala ka nang pinipiling anggulo, okay ka na. Gano'n. I don't think people know na pwede to, na posible siyang gawin. For I will highly recommend it to anybody who feels na meron silang insecurity dun sa symmetry ng face nila.
When your face and smile are in balance, it changes everything, not just how you look, but how you feel. More than that, it's life-changing. And that's the most fulfilling part of what we do.
Ako, thankful ako that I came to Doc Camille and Ampong Dental Group kasi very conservative yung approach, very holistic, and uunahin talaga nila kung ano lang yung kailangan mo. May malasakit sa patients. Thankful ako that I came to the right people.